Well, time has come. I finally ran out of these old school Goodyear wiper blades at Costco, and this could be one reason why the thing's chattering. It's pretty screwed up. And again, it's bent as shit too. It's warped. It could be just dried out. They were like 2 years old, a year old. But they're so hard to get off. We're running Tricos now, Trico Ultra. No idea. I used to stay away from Trico, but they say it was cool and it's made. So, I believe the wing foil is supposed to go like that. Not like this. That would be stupid. Probably like this. So as the thing goes, I don't know. Yeah. Doesn't say. Yeah, it kind of looks like the wing foil. Up. Yeah, maybe. And the sirens. Yeah, it probably goes that way. Let me go bust off this though with 15 tools and a pry bar. Alright, and that's the install. They have way more sturdy centerpiece than these did. So maybe that'll stop that. These have JR hooks now. I never had these on this truck. It's a 94. I think they implemented this in 95 or 96. Probably 95. And then I bought the later model arms. I hated the pin type when my paint's peeling. No. No.